Inspection initiated. Countdown in 3, 2, next one? Improvising. Oh, so hard to cute. I need extra brain. But beauty is journey and chaos. Post-op fireworks! And...
Oh, she's so ugly. So hard to beauty enhancement. Do not move. Please, please. Okay. We fix. Stay shiny.
Oh no, this case very hard to cute. This is art, medical art.
Oh, she's so ugly. My job very hard today. This is not mistake. This is style. Pose.
Beauty enhancement very hard. I need miracle. This is art. Medical art.
Only glitter. I fix everything, mostly. Easy. Don't blink at me like that.
Listen, this dog thinks I'm legit.
Oh no, this case very hard to cute. I am surgeon and influencer. Watch this. Peel back the shadow. Blend. Drama. Yes! Walk it, model!
Listen, champ. We go in ordinary, we come out legendary. You with me? I can fix, but my confidence low. Don't worry, I watched many tutorials. Little gel, little sparkle, boom. Art and success. Lick. Oh, okay, still a success, just avant.
This face, very advanced, ugly, professional only. Okay, new plan. Whoa!
Interesting case. Oh, she's so ugly. I mean, unique. Unique. No panic. Professional. Sparkle injection. Engage. Whoa! Lamp down! We're fine. Very pro. Perfect. Gorgeous. Oh, she's so ugly. My job very hard today. This is not mistake. This is style. Pose.
Ugly emergency. Call the glitter.
Beauty heartbeat? Nothing. Oh no. Cute impossible. Wait, I try. This is not mistake. This is style. Sparkle detox is supposed to remove it. No one saw that. No one saw that.
Confident. Beautiful. Yes. Oh no. No. Smile gone. Panic. Symmetry check. Oh, she's so ugly. My job very hard today. Okay. New plan. Read the chart. E, F. Perfect vision. Yes. Microbrush contour. 1, 2, 3 teeth. 4. No one saw that.